Honorable judges, respected principals, teachers, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. Today's question is, are we happier than our forefathers? It is tough to answer this question, but let me begin with the bonded quote of great Italian cricket Caesar Powers, who says the only happiness in the world is to begin. My valued audience, the meaning of the word happiness varies from soul to soul. I use the word soul, not person, because happiness is purely to deal with soul, not person. Respected chief guest, no doubt we produce and consume at current plenty of goods which our forefathers may not even have dreamed of. We have speedier means of transport and communication, an extensive variety of media, improved systems of public health and hygiene, better amenities, and greater social stability. Here I go, modern man enjoys comforts, luxuries, and pleasures that even the kings and emperors of the past would have grudged. But to offset all these, my esteemed onlookers, let me say that we have some disadvantages like shanty towns, pollution, unrest, and conflicts. Many people are still living in poverty. City life today is full of noise and congestion, hustle and bustle, hurry and worry. Life is full of stress and tension. There is pleasure but no happiness. We do not have peace of mind. On the other hand, our forefathers lived a simple life. They had fewer wants, which they satisfied by working hard. They were strong, robust, and healthy, who fully enjoyed simple things of life. They lived a contented and peaceful life. Respected chief guests, if we think that happiness consists of material comforts, no doubt we are happier than our forefathers. If pleasure can be called happiness, then we are indeed happier. But if contentment or satisfaction is called happiness, then our forefathers should be considered far happier than we are. As Herbert Hoover says, fishing is much more than a fish. It is a great occasion when we may return to the fine simplicity of our forefathers. Respected chief guests, this is Amal Fatma, and that's all from my side.
Now, everybody from us, we will come to